Podcast Affirmation. We're back with the bang, the fastest growing podcast eMzansi babe. Siyabalanda bonke abantu abalulekile la eMzansi. Namhlanje sigijima noFelix, my homeboy. I don't know ukuthi wasemlazi noma wakabasho. Ngiyibona ephusha ubasho lo labuthi ngidideke wabe lokhona umlazi. The second biggest township, ne?
100%.
Yeah. Namhlanje sivakashela uFelix. He hosts a breakfast. There's a breakfast that is out of bad. Or there is breakfast. To call it the call. Call it the special now. Season plus a Kamalami, Petru Felix stop. Felix, give me
a long game of kayak for them Felix stop. And it was still a session in there. I'm trying to be guest.
So, just you can see. But you don't tell you Felix over me, so who's the about this host the Felix? And what about this? I was saying,
yeah, the tables of 10, I'm trying to be showing up.
I didn't see it was a qualified seat to ahead. But Felix, that's my name about the look understand with Felix. Hey, I want to listen to Shaya, so we're schooling as the lazy, so shop. I understand some Kuluba, but when I don't understand it, Felix, upbringing of Felix, if it's as I mean, Felix, we're simple, they were such a stay.
I'm a Devon boy through and through, born and bred in Lazi. Yeah, it's a Manaz boy. Yeah, 431.
What about Asha?
That's a shaga, yeah. Minaga to hotel.
Oh, I to hotel.
It's a legendary. Kulile corner basically Kazlam is a Manaz boy through and through. From illegal, from style, from Jewish, Mankatan Sile, you mash your keep and the best gig gets me look easy. Yeah, so another good thing.
So Felix, I'm talking to Rana Belanda. Felix, Wakula, when I don't keep the blast of food, there was a big call. Why am I going to win?
No, it's a gish that's a record to see. It's meaning a Kulim Laz, your friend, a Skumbuzo, lower primary.
I found some knowledge now.
Eh, was sister reference upon.
Or sister reference, yes, for this one. Yeah, Mrs. Plum plus I food is a school that, but it's
hey, you ain't my brother. Who did it?
Gee, yeah, I food is a call.
Hey, it's that. She couldn't call it off from the Buyan.
Yeah, not from the Buyan.
Is this?
One was just some bed.
Yeah, and then you got a local guessing a hammer here, a American. Which was in boarding school, was a kind of dam as a tele on the so a cab and Tassa month in the car. So it was only Marada and Tassaban Saga, St. Francis College.
Oh, I got a point in the school.
I think there's always been cheated. There was no see to decide with Kurmela, he's opinionated, but also I think I take after Itama. Itama is because in Dagada. Even the man, Itama passed away in 1995. Today, among a mental picture of my father is of him laughing, cracking up, always having a group of people around him. So
I think you lived 7 years and then died. What the Wagalilo and a cooler. One no, I took 2 coons. Yeah, so Georgie's Lanilo, a guy up with the one would say, oh, my face.
Because it's pure. But we're speaking as Nagile, as was nature, was we pretty sangas. And then it's impilo sometimes. When you saying it, in life, so much is set for in purpose. If you struggle, shall find the purpose, find a passion, and then your passion will lead you to your purpose. So, when they discover what's actually best, it gives them an eye of putting people at ease and building rapport easily and making people forget about their burdens through the gift of laughter.
Yeah.
And then I took it up. I was very reluctant to Sakala with one of his heartworms and they were pushing me towards that direction. I was very reluctant. But once I found my feet in rhythm, Gabon was exercising. You're not delay a pet was young, that's not embrace. That's not really a me.
So I have a fellow point out there.
Yeah, but now was a good ambitions of one day becoming with the hotel or being someone important. Some guys would say, it's kind of schooling a corner, Matuba, Evalekile, with with the advent of the new South Africa, the Rainbow Nation, suddenly I'm a career amatch. I'm starting to do podcast. In the session has Tabanguti, Corner, Egnabantu Labo, operating machine, Egnabantu Shutayo. Zonke lezi sasazi into zabelungu.
Manje bayabona abantu bazobona mina nawe bathi inqoba yabantu. Yeah, no, I think is sibese Felix lento ke manje i-comment. Wasifuna sishaya segments ukuthi i-comment manje 9 radio sigcwala normal. But ke asiqale la kwi-comment ke manje. Wayiqala sort professional
or professional. Funny enough, Caesar, I became a professional corporate MC before I became a comedian. That is, Bang Tonakon, and I was an accidental MC for a company and I ended up by chance ending in Zoom team. Umuntu wakufanele aphathe washo eBanwe. So baswamate, as in this guy was your idea, you can fit into his suit. Get a suit in I don't want to hear it. And then I hand me and I touch a suit yake, I shy if it was a word and I can be stage. Blind. And I felt natural on stage, so much so that just from our division, center for our Cell C, Vodacom, MTN, and all telecoms division basically, everyone then said, as in, this is the guy. Not must year end function, gala evening, awards evening, So that's how it started. And then I was a regular on stage doing these year end functions, doing this gala, sports, family day, all type of things. And then no, before saying he became a professional comedian. Because my figure equal I think he was the second but no, get this guy who flips and then suddenly I approach, but no, I'm Muslim, what is called bomb. Which means he's doing stand-up comedy. I can tell a few jokes, but everyone knows a few jokes, funny jokes. If you know 20 good jokes, doesn't make you a stand-up comedian. So I don't think I'm a stand-up comedian. Number 2, get Zoom, I'm Giko Showbiz. I'm Pele Ranjan, Enziga Mashaete. Always tattoo. I was strong-armed by Uzanile Pebe, who's a childhood friend.
Yeah.
Mina, listen. Labantu bezak mina bafuna indaba kwesasebenzela Zulu publication, yeah. So as it means, if you see it in me, then I'm able to try it. But ngiyakhumbula ngingayilanga ngiqala kuya ngiyangiphuma kuye and function eka RAF. Not accident fund. Ngifaka isuit and lapho umuntu usashocked and overwhelmed ukuthi kunemoto ehambayo nesithombe sakho unamaphosta ngobuso bakho kugcwele itheni awubazi nabantu awazi nokuthi uyothini. Ngiyakhumbula ngingena stage ngakhumbula isuit ngafaka ingubo zami kade ngiphethe nenye jacket eprecious mina ngakaze ngiyigqoke ngathi ngiyigqoka vele afika la ezandleni la okushisa ayifike ngizoyenza ngangena nayo stage nginjalo ngathuka Sizwe ngendlela ngathola ngakhona ngaziphimisa ngicabanga ngibona nje abantu bekugcwele khona. The first The first words that came out of my mouth was, and to this day, I was talking about mushrooms and lies and such a thing. So those were the first words that came out of my mouth when I did my first stand-up comedy. It was my first time doing stand-up.
This thing is stand-up comedy. Whatever. Why? I emphasize it to stand-up. I wasn't more so much I want to was sharp. Why did it put as if
you find that I'm a comedians are finally those two who are actors who act in comedy, don't have a show, then you find them a comedians who don't act, who don't portray characters, who are still Felix Lope, saying, I'm just telling stories, or I'm telling you, but I guess Olam. Yeah, so it's stand-up comedy which you don't assume any character. So awareness.
You know when Kibele
You're like a madman with a loaded gun. We had to bullet it random. But nakhona sikuba phaphamisa nibongasho.
Ngiyakhumbula bengijayele ukuya kulama shows. In fact ngiyayi. Ngiyayithanda i-comedy. Benginokubhayiza yabo. Uthi bofika uhlale la phambili.
Hlala banini phela.
Ayihlala banini. House. I didn't have a reaction every time you like. Imagine it's awful. I had never again.
That was a lot. I think if you're late. Iyo nafika sexually la public pay. Bese yaphothela izohlala phambili. Umuntu ofike okwazi uyihlalela na phambili soyibhayizela ngokwakhe la.
Wenze ngokwakhe. So manje bokukhula Felix le comedy ubani wena othi le out le hayi ngishaphansi. Ndazi yafuna manje ngayo.
Bese ngizokutshela iqiniso bese mhlawumbe iselo ngaqala interview ngeqala ukuzo lo mbuzo ngizama. First time ever. No one has ever asked me that question. I've always been itching and hoping someone asks me that. No one has ever asked me that question. So, uma ngifika bethu kwi-comedy yabo, ngangazi ukuthi ngelinye ilanga lento yongisiza ukungilola. So basically, uma ngiqala, I shot straight to number one. Remember that day I was the penultimate act.
Yeah.
The way my first performance, the way it was so strong, from that day, no other comedian wanted to play after me. So that meant me feeling a headliner all the time. No. Every show where I'm billed on the poster means I'm the headline act. So every other comedian, but every other comedian that was good came and did their best show. But after they've done their best show, I only come after they've done all of that. That means my set has to be extra hot. So it was a burden I carried. I longed for someone to come and dethrone me from this throne. Because yes, it's something I carried well, but the pressure in the end, and I said time again to comment because I had the Felix type jokes. Everyone was wanting to see Felix at the end. After Labachi like the Shire, I'm an A1 performance. And you can get it today. Number one, number two. Where enjoy my performances. They look forward. Mina, they used to crush me. Because guys are believing on me.
I don't know what I don't know what I question to jump like this stupid. Is it okay as a comedian? Ufike ubuka amanye ama comedy azoba shower amanye ama comedians mhlawumbe njengawo isikhathi esiningi uyagcina thothi uhleli bathi nangu yangena uShembu nomuntu uSylvester ubani bonke bayangena wena uhleli la ngemuva mhlawumbe uyezwa ukuthi bathini. Is it okay?
Okay. Mhlawumbe ngizokubuyela imibuzo lakho oqala bese ngiphendule lo wesibili ukuthi ubani. So there was a guy called Thomas Komede. Thomas Komede was the guy that when he came onto the stage, ngajabula was at least now I don't have to headline. This guy can headline. But it ended up becoming a competition between me and I. Because we respected each other that much that you bring it, I bring it. So for us it was like a relay. You run as fast as you can, you pass the baton to the next guy. He runs fast, I go to the next time. Our next time's boy. So and then for some reason he tapped into this TV thing. Forever Young. With abangani bakhe ophuma comedy. Every time I was so hurt when he left. I was so hurt. Fortunately, I just got less of the figure uSkhumba, ufika uSiyabi. So those guys then we went up was bumping touch. So the other guys were good, they were doing comedy, but they hadn't found their style and feet. Because I can even put my finger and point to when Simpiwe Shembe found his rhythm and became a headline act, as opposed to be a comedian in a pool of other comedians. When he stood out and found his feet, I can put a finger to it. Others I helped achieve that. Others just in walking and back and I actually sat down and said, you can't be bubbling under for 14 years. Let us work on your set. How do you tell your jokes? How does this joke relate to this joke? Why do you think this joke is important to take on stage for a person that paid 200 rand? You know, often get a stage, you don't want to team, do they get their money's worth because you told a story that is funny or is silly? Who do you tell jokes to? Felix Club on stages or who do you think is in the audience? There's MDs and CEOs. There's industry captains. There's not just people here off the streets. These are important people. They love comedy. So if they want to perform performing, will they call you for their family day or sports day or gala dinner? Nah? If not, change your material. Make it appeal to important people from all walks of life.
Yeah.
Make sure that umebiza emsebenzini umeyibuza umbuzo uzozohlisa amakhaladi, uzozohlisa amandini, uzozohlisa abelungu, uzozohlisa ama-overall, uzozohlisa ama-white collar. So you must have a general appeal. So this thing is business, it's money. So let's work on your comment. And we did.
Yeah.
So in answering your question, yes, it was Thomas Gomete, Skumba Shope, Besuguba Usiapi, and the guys I look up to is Luis Okola, there's a lot. But I think the guy in the country, also now won't in my own eyes, who hasn't scratched the surface of who he's going to become, is Paul Pops. He's special.
Yeah.
He's special. He's the next Trevor.
That's what was it. Maybe look what's about coach. We emulate. Semkhohliwe man. Yasibona
And remember roster.
Roster support. I think I want MC.
Oh.
No, MC lapho ke be roster support. So not the current one.
Oh.
But lapho I'm Selby from Ukozi.
Oh, who's the first thing?
Freedom Balula no Tibutach.
The Kanyimbao.
Was
the Rosa Kanyimbao?
Yeah, Kanyimbao. The cover is good as an MC.
So sometimes when it's I wonder people that. Why not people that? Because that guy he once came, we did a show in Iceland. He came and abandoned his prepared set and did a set on his travel from Joburg to Durban as a show. And that was his 30 minutes. And he killed it. Just something ends.
But I don't know to
Trevor's God. Trevor's God. Yeah, we don't mention Kamala Trevor. So we mention a lot. Trevor's God. Trevor Noah is God.
Oh, you put some respect.
Yeah, no, we've had a team of Trevor. So we 99% comedy.
Yeah.
He was the 1%. From the time he started performing, we knew he was a cut above the rest.
Yeah.
We knew he was different, he was special from his comic ability. Like we are moving to I'm a setup, I'm a punches art, how he picks it up, moves on, and how couldn't mistakes actually the comedy. If say he can get the comedy about a certain topic, I need to have knowledge as well as authority in that topic first. As I lay the story to you, I must lay it such that it makes sense and I have authority in that.
My answer Felix.
Was he?
Like one of our jokes are on the corner system. I asked the guy like a bash. Understand? If I see the song, if we boost, go to the guy complain.
I'm fire. Well, in fact, because the other one when I started to go as incense.
Yeah.
So basically, the story is about Ingane Sekaya. Actually,
Yeah.
So but if you are like excited, if you get your baby back camera, you have the kitchen full free to keep Vienna, you live in the camera in big enemy, you put the camera on, get the camera live, you're big in the room. But the lesson was a little too good. Susanna, who wins in the band? Say, give me the love. Give me the So that was the joke. The joke basically, uthatha situation ebuhlungu, you tell it with comic ability. You let people laugh at themselves. But relax. Yonke into isho akumele usange ngoba kufanele isho within context. So into ebalulekile is that preamble to a joke, yabo, and then you punch the joke. And then also the after effect, yabo, after punching. Nakhona fanele, yabo. So I think that has been my gift. I identified that first before I shared it with other comedians to say, what makes me tick is you cannot come and tell other jokes are unrelated or trained in a set. You must have a flow so that each joke connects to the next one seamlessly. There's a tiny thread that connects this joke to the next joke. In this connecting thread, you must have 3 gags. And then start the new story. As you lay your characters, make fun of the characters. As you move on, set it up, story, punch. And then you can't, after punching, start a totally unrelated story. It must always flow. If you choose, say for instance, you're choosing relationships, and in your basket you have 5 jokes about relationships. One must lead to the other, and then must feel next. We have something to lose the comedy we call back, where you tell 8 jokes, and then on the 8th joke you call back the 2nd joke. We'll tie in to the 8th joke, so it's called a callback. So once you do that thing, you call back and you pick up a character from that story. In the same story and carry on. That's when people are wowed. The X factor that makes you different because there's a mechanic.
I always say that.
If I didn't want, mechanic was a solution. I want to show in Canada. I can call because you can't afford to pay. But I don't want to be from but we're going to figure out the computer box. I come to computer box. I find a diagnostics. I just want to get done. I'm going to send the parts. I don't think the parts are wrong. I asked them. So it's not so much a song. But as far as there's so much record.
Hey, Asval.
What did you say?
Hey, eu que papai tem cervezinha, sei, as caras. Olha, não,
I stumbled upon that. My bro. So now, nginale interesting nginayo to cultivate so I had a feature on my show called Umzulu Paka. So I was invited in a closed audition to audition for Isbai, and my audition partner was Celeste. So Isbai is a so some people say, no, family is not taxing in any family rival in a so you can be anyone, you can be mechanic, you can be so choose something. Then I developed an accent, a thick northern KZN accent, in preparation for that role. So I then so manje, I never got to use that thing because first I didn't make the cut. Celeste went through, she got the part. I then was
that is why I started as a bonus Celeste.
Yes. Okay. So and then in fact I was a recommendation of Begin Kwan. That recommended me for that closed interview. So after that audition, I didn't make the cut. I then went and did the launch of the Soapy Awards, the Reality Soapy Awards. Awini Jala. Yeah. So as in the and on stage, we figure the totally honor ipong ingamo. If you're in a let's say if you expect your bags, you're leaving. We're going to job with you on a shoot spy. You got the parts because he had just seen videos of me auditioning, but he had never seen me. After he'd seen me on stage doing comedy, like the whole industry is there, but I'm the guy or MC Alishandis. What else by Lapo that Thursday I had signed my first contract in radio as a breakfast show host for my FM. So Mangwele Kaya, I consulted and my brother said, hey, la whisper I want to do for that's what I and that's how I chose radio. So basically
I
never worry about that. I know I bring it so much so that I don't have to worry about young parents. Sasayingane sasasinovalo khona hey bazorenew yini mina mangiqala ngizonazi bangizorenew mina mangingena esiteji songazo please ngiyazi ngigage angisabi
so manje Felix station son wayiqala-ke le nto yona seyithathe abantu abaningi bethu nje understand labengibhalile laptop
no
usukhona la ekhaya
manje na wendele phela wena kwa ushinga wena watching sport manje asengiqala ngale ndlela ngizoyithini le nto ngoba angazi ngiyisebenzise le ndlela yokukhuluma le ndlela kade ngilungiselela lo mdlalo wesibani isikhona ke ihleli the one day I use it so I get out of Felix and assume the character show and people love your character and then what did I stumble upon? Now I start getting bookings as a shop and not as Felix. Hey, now I start enjoying it. Now I need my spaces of shop. And then you show the minutes Genza a staunch Zulu man on the country. Unobamba ukushiya ucansi nje abamathandana nokuba mthozana imali akangeni nato love it up angeni lonto le so I use the character took a laugh of its own and people fell in love with this. I found a guy at Udlaba we acted this thing out now people loved it so I was like okay what am I going to do with this thing and then I stumbled upon Leo Doja I then never looked back so that thing often figure in an obscure part of the Free State. People that have never heard me on the radio, have never seen my comedy, buy a mouse or shop it, or if I have my laptop, or it's time. But if you never quit this and it's so, but okay, I'm just going to tell you, but the bash one bit of moon. The person clear about that one, but the Mushima. I wasn't doing Mashima, no. But essentially, everywhere I go, as soon as I step off the plane, airport, people already celebrate with Bashi. So I think Lendo here, TikTok, is opened up a whole world for me. Even in spaces where I got the role of the sitcom that in the man, a car backpackers. To the strength of the character, yes, Lord, not Felix. I was there.
Watch out, Alan.
It's one of those things, but I'm having a time of my life.
I enjoy. First, before school, hey, they are my praying. They are my praying. I was showing you different. I got him to do a yes, of course, I think. And I said, come in forward, I need a W who's walking. I had a try when you never. I have possessed to come back.
Now, this thing, young figure, I stand a little bit corner pressure, but we've never had it in the neck. So, Mina Lashap Nishwa and Salazwing would Linda Spear. I watched him every day doing what he does. I was found by Miles Zagalan on Faga at News Radio. I've always been a breakfast guy. I've always done breakfast. So men said that so Genza Mashaya la live comedy. So I basically say, you know why is that Kadi sends it in the Shvile Enge because of the offer as well. Every week drive is when I prank people. And I understand it's so I would see he wins every damn way. As I am as a producer, Unji was asiyofuna ama-sound bites. If you get sound bites of a crowd, if you get sound bites of a helicopter hovering above, if you get sound bites of cars walking by, car chases, okay, sure. And then I phone BMW, the service center, and was over the service motor damage. About but no, Spider-Man still okay, tell us Fazan, it's in the registration in the mobile motor. Was always information. So I know I'm a prankster in you're starting something new. And then sure. And then we lay this thing on track and I lose it. And we compute. So I'm getting phone already in a crowd. Unaband, we are used to someone in the Pilama, yeah. So, Mina was one in Kamga. Usually, I share very much. I can say, yeah, he would access it to the answer. You know, right? So, as an added service, stand out to do some directions and let them say anything. Oh, yeah, and so, but some of my directions, yes, some 17, even get a little more. Yeah, how long for them? I will give you a man when it's has the more is that rule level. Why? Number ni ta kwa kwa sanja no kele mapozi ashaki kebe yabo wala yebo fana hayo fana kwa sanja fana sema hii kwa sanja sasa vile ngashayisa wherever that fear na bantu yizi crowd sasa the crowd never argue ushane na moja kwa nipira mama na ile in chaos, that was the first prank we did. And we're like, oh, what did we just step into? From there, just bombing busy about. From there, according to Trump, that is all in that creation with our band. No, twice it happened. The first time, the phone and the Inkabi, and Balegile Koi. Wrong Balege Koi. She saw his beloved calls on Dr. Musebenzi, I like saying, sing now, the man sing back, 6 feet under, the one was selling down, for their rank, the Musebenzi, over long car. It's a time. And I said, Lala, I said, Sarazu. Emma gets us, no, this is pre-recorded, it's not live. Woman was lending me. No produce and echoes the way he's on every so delete us his source in the boat with no crash and day. If that's a pretty shell of vessel, a bit toilet stage. You came as a better getting good album by listening and getting more. They were about more in the spear, so Kumanavo. But what a sugan in his Sagaza. Something set up in a move by a clapper or lord. See a corner, Ashrays. Bashung shouted, but the been took it. No, he didn't say in a booth, but I equal life again with you. Who is poor made up. I said, yes. I had yes, but what could I in life again? I understand. I believe we'll see what kind of 2,900 miles. I understand. But this thing here, radio, I would say. Ushayi prank but wena manje as umsakazi manje uzutshela ubani ukuthi udazi this thing right mfethu because ngangikade sengibo MC for high pressure jobs where I'm doing this thing live, there's no room for mistake or putting the food wrong. Got into a high pressure environment. You know, and also be a comedian, young Caesar. So, what we say, the radio, honestly, was something very easy. You know, especially when you produce and where you just come up with an idea and they organize your idea into content and deliver regularly. So, mangufundi art yok sagaza ngibukile ngayibona phambi kwami leaders beer every day. So, I used to practice mantra. We friendly. That guy, he career ended prematurely. There's a lot. You know, like the president we never had, Chris Hani. Chris Hani. So I don't get that. Tell me, I never looked back. But then again, I always know Oguchi, I'm the finisher. I would say we relay, I'm the guy they give the baton at last to finish the race. So I knew Oguchi, Abantu, over-capturing kanjani as an audience, over, it's like a drug deal. A drug deal is never about the money that the exchanges have, it's about the comeback. So in the ballet, it is what content you give them today to have them come back again. Access. But we access upside down. So capturing an audience has been a gift in you will say. Never try umkebelo and geek when there is something. The first thing that comes to mind, I want to feel something galette. So you always come back. So you find guys that are really good at radio. To a point where they are flawless in their delivery, but they just lack this X factor. You would see, maybe they're not comical, maybe they're just not wound up that way in their heads, but when they comic gaps in their delivery, the art of radio is gone. The new radio today, people speak in their normal voices, in their normal tones. I still do the acrobatics. When I come back, I still play with my voice and I entice you. And when I'm coming up with the topic, when I do the recap, the throw forward, the coming up next, it is don't go anywhere. Stay with us. I still play when I talk. It's poetic, it's musical, it flows nice.
So it's a span.
It's a span of it because I want to know that they switch on there when I do this acrobatics. They're in song and in unison with me. I don't just start something. Today,
Felix breakfast material. What's why I'm clapping it? What do I are anyway being blended? What do I are going to? I think it's a commercial seats or something.
A workshop when I first started, and then we went to commercial seats.
Yeah. Still, na call Mushai breakfast.
Correct. Yeah.
I think even with Kakas, what are the ones that weekend breakfast?
That's a woman. Yes, weekday breakfast and weekend breakfast. And now we
for foods. Yeah. I think we'll do breakfast. My Spanish not really breakfast.
To tell you the truth, I'm glad you asked me that question because I'm wondering by those Felix why Oyana and Metro. I was ready to go to Metro. I have a family son.
Now throw in the food.
Yeah, probably, yeah. We won't make mistakes. So it's got in Hamba, and then Kakas made a move to say we would like to hold on to you, much as we can't promise to give you all these things about Timbisazona, but we love having you here. We still love to keep you here for a long time. And I was like, hey, Fetz, to tell you the truth, because of things that happened in Pilinyam, ngiluza yonke lesingabanayo ngithola half a chance, and half a chance was just taken from me ngenza ngalutho ubona masiqala impilo sisibangona and then bangiphuca yonke, you know, because they wanted Ulinda Spear, because after what happened and when he lost his job they wanted Ulinda Spear so desperate to have him. They fired us, even though bayathanda ukuyigqokisa. Again. They were correct. Yes. So we lost our jobs. No charge sheets, nothing. So man, we were pick up, we got to wheel it. You happy, next thing gone. And then Ikakasian pick up a mid-season, second shake. But was a Suzo fear corner, would you still be interested in radio? Of course I'd be interested in radio. And they say you start tomorrow. I'm like, start, but that's not a contract. So when's the contract? But tomorrow we're clear.
So a weekend breakfast, man.
Weekend breakfast. And then that Monday I got another call. So I'm on Wednesday. EGMS Afropop, so we got 10, well, 8 at 10. Then I had 2 shows. For the longest time, I had those 2 shows.
So you want to push it again?
I think everyone will be at the corner. And let's just catch you. If you ask Fed Joe, I was surprised one time. Robert Marawa calls me to show off his new girlfriend. uphela baka-Max lapho kuseza la ngiyafika mangifika khona uFat Joe yabo ngiyafika uFat Joe says hey Felix uyadlula nobingelelini yabo like you're great nobody just come you just walk past hey it's like bro honestly I didn't think that you'd know who I am yabo I wanted to I couldn't summon up enough courage to greet you and shake your hand I was afraid he says no bro listen we listen to you you are giving us a hiding level because anyone that was competing with me when I had that breakfast show, the breakfast show was a lifesaver for me. It was the only thing I ever had. I needed to prove myself. I needed to prove myself to the people that had let me go. I needed to prove myself to the people that had given me half a chance. I needed to say, I'm back, guys. I'm back on radio. Now, it's either me or nothing else. So every my rams, my numbers short. My numbers a weekend breakfast for Gaza media.
But ngiyasiza ukuthi usululaze.
Yeah, kakhulu mfethu. Angifuna amanga mfethu yabona le show. Ikakhulu iswega yasemlazi and umuntu osemlazi uyambona qhamuka. Uzosemlazi. Umuntu ngene osemlazi ngaze ngashelile lapho. Yazi wonke umuntu athi uhla lapho ungayibukeli phansi ngokuhle Waterloo. Ibona umngane osemlazi mfethu. Yabo iyasiza. Ubo nomngane noma uyintombazane mfethu. Qhomelazi mfethu. Iba nje noma unyaka uthola umuntu osemlazi. Uzobona impilo yakhe izoshida kanjani.
Ngikhumbula futhi ukuthi umuntu osuka kwamashu
umuntu abantu basemlazi bahlezi ufuna ukuthuthuka bahamba bamuve labo Wellsville bayeboyela park bayonke amasabatha kanti nakamashu bayibuka bayibona njalo umusebenzile kamashu nawe uyamuva uye emlazi yabo ukuze nawe le nto ingene bekuyima ubuva ke usiya kwezinye indawo basi evesi angifuna amanga that show I still go back to it and think ukuthi bro, I sprinted. That's when I introduced.
But in all fairness, breakfast that's why they are only doing breakfast out. I think I listen to breakfast out.
Yes, sir.
Thank you,
man.
I do.
Yeah. No, thank you. Now introduce fast-paced radio. Abantu abaningi babengayijwayele. Babe so used to.
But personally now, ukuthi commercial yayisebenzisa leyo fast-paced radio. Understand? Commercial radio kuyahlangana nje kuyixoxele.
I remember Alex in the morning crew was a water's breakfast show, but it was very slow paced. Content was strong. I think Nomzo through influence from Alex because he was also very laid back and relaxed. And Mina thinking my brand of radio too much. So my brand of radio is fast paced. High impact delivery. Now, we want rhythm. We're Puma, we're Geza, Emina, we're getting in the background. I'm setting the tone and the theme for the day. As we get in motor, as we drive, we're stuck with the traffic. Key. We're not slowing down because you're stuck in traffic. We're still fast paced. I'm giving you facts. I'm making you laugh. We're giving you news. We're giving you this. Everything is ila. We pack it up with bosses, study game, second games, competitions, we're interesting effects. We are
What's your breakfast
you can't miss a bulletin on your breakfast show host. You cannot have something that you're not privy to or not aware of. Mina ngenhlanhla age and life experience. What also sets me apart is you can choose any field or subject. I can converse freely in sports, in engineering, in law, in anything that you want to talk about. I can converse freely in politics, in economics.
When you come after the 2.8. Now I'm going to show you that was all penny, but I think it stresses me. Yes, morning engagement. Felix Lapana, Emton Green. Abantu babuka we took Tabu would say now.
I will extend myself to this show, Podcast Affirmation, when I'm at liberty to talk about that. It was the one thing that I can't talk. I'm not at liberty to talk about now, but I have a lot to say about. But just to cut is short. Gagas FM pays me very generously. Gagas FM pays my colleagues generously. I would leave everything else to your imagination and your conclusion. Right? Gagas FM pays people generously.
So, by the way, we are hosting Felix Club from Umlazi, by the way. And then, this is over there because I had a PDFA on Flick on the 24th of May. Make it a point to see Obakona, because it's a big woman, who prepared is at mushroom. A mushroom is a big woman, but we're going to call a mushroom. It hosts a podcast affirmation, a penny for the Lavender. Yes, I'm going to see. Let's say, no one
from.
Yeah.
How about it?
Yeah, I want that call it.
How about it? In fact, I'm getting money in advertise on my timeline today. So, I'm going to tell you, I feel funny.
Yeah, when I figure funny penny for the 24th, is that.
Okay.
A mushroom. Mushroom.
I'll Google mushroom. And guys, here.
I can say, we support. When's it? It's Stay Friday, but I'm going to but it's fine. If we are a mushroom, I'm telling you to enjoy it. It's always a way that way.
Yeah.
And look, there was a time.
But I'm already sold. I'm extending also my hand of friendship to Podcast Affirmation. Because this is coming here. I was very scared. Knowing you, Namakale, because of that saying, get us all figured out. Who's a beef and controversy and scandals, and you only I protect my brand because I'm also a sub brand of Kadasi, so I check very carefully. I'm aware of what's on so I always like yes, because like I said, Kadasi FM. The reason why I didn't leave Gagas FM for Metro was because I looked around. I looked at the cars I have, the houses I have, the where my kids go to school.
Felix?
Yeah.
Was that some Ingane?
Ingane? No, Ingane.
Oh, so nice.
Ingane, who Abraham is there.
What's it?
Before that, Kodes years old.
Oh, my God.
Azikho ngaphandle. Ingane ngaphandle ezokashwa phela ngapha.
Yeah.
Ngaphandle kwalo.
Cela uyikhuphuke lo bapheliya. Uyahambisa nemali yakho.
For years and years and years.
Felix sijabula kakhulu ukuthi sivakashele la podcast affirmation. Esisho likhulu kuthina nanokuthi ke bese simfuna uFelix. Felix umfonele ucingo sometimes jikjele ihlatheke but
umuntu ofuna gym ngiyajima
but siyasitshela into yokuthi persistent till we succeed.
Yabona
leyo and then today ulana it's that easy uthola ama guests just izolo sikisaba nomkhuleko hle I know.
Oh yeah,
sabali ATM uZungulu yabona uvuyo Zungulu saba nowesithathu the ultimately MK. By the way, we MK. We MK. No, it's fine. But abantu abadala bo ikhani phela abantu abazivakashela bese kushot down. I'm grateful finally you came. Yabona leyo. Ikhona lokugcina mfethu ukutshela abantu phela phela ukuthi abavuke uprising.
Yeah.
Uprising now I'm saying they phela
so it's a clever play on words. So it's uprising when you uprise in the morning and you rise and you get up in the morning. Uprising, but also it's a revolution in radio. So it's a rebellion. So it's the uprising. So since this name when I started the show, we built it with Nonjabulo Zwane, who since now hosts her own show.
But seriously, engaged the show, I guess, 9 to 12.
9 to 12.
I think I know I no, I listen to it as well.
Yeah.
I have a show on the
Yeah, no. Also for team.
What will touch see?
Not quite. I think no. If very psychic. Yeah. So she drove all the features. I didn't even have a single feature. No, leader from Mbawakanji.
No, there was a finish. The section we sent to which I wanted to do. yale industry dominates abantu besilisa.
Yeah,
And then nathi zamanje sinasihlele silindele le voice yomuntu wesilisa.
correct.
Understand? Isikhathi esiningi, I'm not talking about i-breakfast show yakho,
Yeah.
but isikhathi esiningi uyawubona.
Yeah.
Kurare ukuthi kuthiwe wena uzodrive i-desk emuntu wesifazane. But ngilandelile le nto ngizistate ukuthi uzodrive i-desk.
Yeah. So basically, because I have a loud voice, I'm opinionated, I'm charismatic, I've got this magnet that attracts people.
Yeah.
So it follows logic, then I'd be the one who's first voice. It would sound somewhat twisted, or it won't land if I were to work with anyone and not be the first voice.
Yeah.
I did a game show on TV, the biggest game show icon in the country, with a pot of over 3 million rand. And I hosted alongside Tato, who's a seasoned, she works for Super Sports TV. I played number 2. I played the best number 2. She was first voice. But I knew I'm not going to compete with her for the first voice, but I will be the best number 2 ever. So that is where abantu abanye bahluka khona, is everyone has a main character syndrome. They want to be the main character. I understand you can shine. We support character.
Ngiyakubona ngiyasho ku-TV. Yazi enye into engiyi-appreciate ngawo ukuthi noma zikhona izinto ey'vimbayo, understand, but upush ukuthi ula KZN but ube national.
Correct.
The likes of football, I don't know, ngizomkhulisa mfethu yazi nibe nalezi zinto zini. Industry Utira, yabona. Utira is a friend of mine. Utira is keeping everyone on check.
Yeah.
National, not like KZN. I like this.
We have a reality show starting, and Utira is one of the people I identified as friend of the cast. So he's going to be friend of Felix in the reality show that we're going to be shooting soon for Showmax.
But ngiyabancane abantu abapusha the Zakes people of this world. Ukuthi kuvaliwe but baphushe basongela la, understand, especially bethatha iflag yase-KZN bephakamisela phezulu. Kunale ngane futhi engingafanele ngikhohle bengikhuluma abantu abanjalo mfethu. Unomcebo.
Zikode.
Ngatsho ukuthi wase-Hammersdale. But baningi kodwa ngebenza umsebenzi omuhle ukuthi bavule. Yabona into ukuthi ingane iy'suke ziye kogoli ifike laphana ilale emgwaqweni. Khona those days mfethu. Ula KZN ngezinto ey'khona uyakwazi ukuphusha.
100%. And kubalulekile na abantu base-KZN people special. That is why I stayed. When everyone efuna ukugela eGoli, I stayed because I knew ukuthi la bayidinga nabe quality ne-caliber efana nengaseGoli. Uma seGoli usuke ekhaya ubani ozosala la. Fethu, I've hosted so many events at the ICC, the OCC, all the Playhouse, you name it, because also homebrew talent that is home-based and homegrown is important, and that is the best decision I've ever made about my career. Stay when the food
the Marumas, apparently they were based on facts. Felix is leaving the province. So anyway, I did a growth.
And there's so much I haven't done in comedy that I wanted to do on a national scale. There's so much I had not done in radio, but KZN is enough. KZN is enough. So which is why when they said to me, you can be the Glenn Lewis of Gagasi FM, I chose to be the Glenn Lewis of Gagasi FM and stayed.
Outside where we does. Now I'm saying the commission. And then I'm metro. Why is cutting here? So say things do that.
Correct.
Mrs. Clinton, Felix says, but we're next time. Busy schedules up on campaign. What's
it's funny because my manager sometimes behind my back would consult with my wife, and my wife would tell him to block certain dates. And then on those dates, I don't have bookings. And I booking weekend. And the one I said, behind my back, but block the weekend. But I sleep at home always. I eat home cooked meals. I play with my children. It's hard when you live a life such as mine because you don't own your life. Your talent, you don't you're always traveling on the road, you're always in other provinces, you barely find time to scratch your back and actually uhlala nalomuntu oshiye kubo ozogana wena lakini or asikho isikhathi. But nginhlala ngenze breakfast radio, so which then frees me up ukuthi I can schedule my meetings ukuthi mhlawumbe uzoba na 2 a day okuningi kwenzeka efonini ngiyakwazi ukuba sekhaya. But njengamanje 2024 has seen me having a lot of time to my hands other than leminye iminyaka lo nginaso isikhathi.
So ulalela ngomculo
hip hop, old school hip hop, because I'm from the old school, the only school hip hop. But because of my newly found love for TikTok, I'm warming up to piano. I find myself loving piano. But I don't dance with piano. But I appreciate Afro pop and Afro soul. Appreciate it. So ngiyayithanda Afro pop. But essentially, I love hip hop. Yeah.
umaskandi nje.
Umaskandi mfethu ngisambusha bona ngigika nensizwa eyithile ngithe manje ngiyancoma lento zongigika ngazo kodwa ublomo yomncongani lo muntu bangingenela kahle ngithi ngagesa izandla ngase ngithi kodwa ngisheshela kancane umaskandi angujwayele mfethu. But from performing alongside these guys, we've just been booked alongside one another, and I'm like, I see the crowd babengena and ngiyalalela I've been sleeping on this sound, you know. Ushaka maskandi person my first love is hip hop.
Into ngikubuza yazi sike saba le interview lo Leaders B yabo ase u fighter whatever. Khona ayisho bese mentiona amagigi ukuthi baqasha abanye yabo. Abese balobunye ubuculo abaskandi yabo. Sengiyayisho lo ukuthi why ungambali ubani Libese ngeti kabala lo angambala. Engatholi WhatsApp message.
Same time.
Kulo muntu lo engifaka igama lakhe uthi i-guest ayimbali lo muntu. Wena uyabala ngekhaya. Wayethi ayeluthi lapho
abantu bethe iphezulu kakhulu bethe. Khona ezinye izinto uma umuntu sizwe ekumele uqinisekise ukuthi you move as far away from them as possible. So I simply said, I take my hat off to so and so and so and so that I've been performing alongside with for the past 3 days. And they're like, okay, why you mention they're so militant and violent and vulgar? So in camp, it's but mustn't perform because we've never shared a stage. So I think I'm very careful of the spaces I occupy and how I move in this world. I don't have a single enemy. I might have people that don't like me, but I don't have enemies. So in the violence, the militants, I move away from.
So your favorite hangout spots?
My favorite hangout spots, is a sport owned by a friend of mine. We call him PFG, Breakfast Guy. Barundu, Florida. It's known as Authentic. That is where all of Vegas, basic thing in Corner. Vegas is closer to home, and also it connects. We want to go see this cat in Corner 9, next thing was unborn. Most of the Python now. Who have one low water to throw. I'm not one, but in the pad. Python, Cowie's Hill, Kloof, and all those areas. So that is where you find people who are in their maturity stage of their life. Sebeshela lapha abazagcwala babovanze bomhlanga ko Devonport ko Florida.
It's a 2000.
No, it's a composition. It's a 2000.
Passing shot Felix. Until passing shots for whatever you show.
The basic face I just want to encourage people. One clubbing in now is Caesar. You are a happy-go-lucky guy that is respected and revered by a band from all walks of life. because of amagalelo akho in your other career as a journalist. And thina kweyethu industry, ngendlela esokuyiyona, it's killing the art in comedy, because now people are sensitive. People are outraged about something. How can you say that? Don't say that. You're insensitive. I love oranges. Oh, so you hate bananas. What about apples? Oh, you don't love apples. Oh, please hate apples. Oh, listen, like, no, it's an orange. Also, so apples are evil. You know? So it's killing. It was abantu abagay. Akwazi ukujova ama-lesbians. Akwazi ukujova abantu bequality. Like, ufanele senza ama-jokes ngonogwaja nelahle. Like, we make jokes because we are social commentators. So we base these jokes on real things that happen in real life. And Tina, our perspective is just skewed. So sizomjova shambe. Sizomjova lesbian. If you want to be assimilated into society, then navigate, surrender yourself to the same standards as our woman. So I was not be homophobic because I made a joke about a gay person, or a lesbian person, or a trans person, or a person of inequality. Abantu bayathanda manje ukuthi babe sensitive. Nama-topics athile, we're left with so little to talk about. So basically I wanted to touch on that. But in parting, I just want ukunxenxa abantu ukuthi ake sibuyele emasisweni siba abantu abakhuliswe emndenini ekhuliswe with good values of ubuntu. Let us stop cyberbullying. Let us stop being mean to people on social media. Ikona into engifisa ukuyisho leyo sizwe ukuthi abantu should exercise great care uma bepost izinto ukuthi azibahlukumeze namalungelo abanye abantu, azibalimaze nemoyeni. This of cyberbullying needs to come to an end. So you're not in parting. Let's be kind to one another. Let us build a great nation, the Rainbow Nation. Njengoba ekade push on Mandela. Singasikhohlwa ukuthi singamaZulu, singabantu.
So the feeling of oneness.
Correct.
Amongst the people of the same nation. No, it's fine. Awunye Felix engicabanga ukuthi abantu bayakhuluma kakhulu cishe kwasinyakazisa umhlaba. Ibeef engathi kanti khona zikunina zama-comedians. Firstly, it was uLokozana, uKing Shandu.
Yeah.
And they were serious guy lately. I understand the road. Of late, ka-fly motion. Now, vele nje wangeni lokuzini wathi my colleagues. Understand? I guess who does that? But anyway,
I never speak about King Shandu offline motion.
Ngabasenzi justice if ungathiwa siyayiqeda le interview without ukuthi sizwe kwenu ukuthi uyisho lo wena. Ilisting iyathinta ama-colleagues wakho, understand, kwi-industry like the likes of King. Kwaba this hello baloo ebakhona laphana kwi-social media and all that stuff ethinta uKing nokungazwani kwakho naye, understand that. Nawe bethathe kathi ulecuthe elithize, understand that. Wabese kuba nalento ka-fly motion njengoba bese exitile buyakhombe nawe ukuthi uney'nkinga zithize ithinta wena.
Angikhulumi ngalabo bantu bothu. I don't talk about that. I believe indaba yami noKini was started by uKini was unnecessary. It was mischievous. It was immature. Yangena abantu abaningi kakhulu yebo. But more than anything, it was hurtful. Yebo. Ngase ngiphile vele ukuthi in life, you climb uyephezulu uzofika esitongweni, yebo. If ukhona umuntu ofuna ukukhuluma nawe, akumele akuthule esitongweni uze la ezansi. Kufanele akhuphuke yena aye lapha phezulu azokhuluma nawe. So mina ngihlala esitongweni, angeke ngize ngehle ngizokhuluma indaba. I'm enjoying myself up there and I'm climbing farther and farther upwards. I don't know why Kennedy decided to do what he did. He saw me as a competition, or he saw me as a newsworthy person that if he spoke about is of necessary attention. He has enough attention and followership. He didn't need me. He spoke about my dick print that I have a small penis.
Is it true though?
I don't know. It's enough. So basically, there's no single person that is responsible for the size of their penis. If you have a big penis, you find it on your body, you happen upon it. If you have a small penis, you happen upon it.
No, I'm just talking because Nigeria.
But it never offense. It never you can mention, make fun that I have a small penis, but do mention everything. I have a small penis and a mention. Yeah, he's a small penis and he has a mention. And he has that property, that car. Don't mention this thing and the people like he should the Muslim cool.
So I'm be selective.
I'm be selective. He should the Muslim cool in a big career. He shows he's very successful. Don't just make fun of he's got this. No, mention everything, my friend. Mention everything. Just no. Only depending on number PMO 3, number Mercedes L2, and a mention, and a Porsche, and a Land Rover. Mention all those things. You know? So don't be selective. So that is my message. We're no longer fighting. We try as best we can to treat each other amicably with respect. That we promised that we never fight. We've never crossed paths. We've never met. Fly motion. I won't give attention to. No, I refuse. I'm not going to respond to fly motion. If you see it as an advice. As an advice, my friend, the podcast, more is a Chris Brown, one business, one quite artist. Yeah. So if you call Michael Jackson, don't ask about quite artist. I'm Michael Jackson.
Oh, in this case, then. On the 24th of May 2024, this year, right before my elections. Yazi kuzokwenzakalani sizoba nomcimbi indumezulu umcimbi into engayozwilahla laphana emushroom uyilapha ngase-14 Chatsworth bona base-16 kuzoba nomcimbi omnandi-ke lapho wamaphinifu abantu besifazane behlangene bodwa bezothi gida izinto ey'thinta bona direct bavume ukungavumelani ngezinye ey'thinta abantu besilisa abagrade abay'throwele bazothi abantu besilisa basharp abanye kodwa bazobe befuna ukuphuma emshadweni yenza sure-ke ukuthi nawe ingxenye yaleyo nto ulandele i-podcast affirmation. Other than that kunalento ekuthiwa i-Facebook page la esikhomanda khona 2.5 million wabantu abalandela indaba zethu because nge-hour 30 minutes after 30 minutes siya-update siyakutshela ukuthi manje icala likasenzobeyiwa lithatha yiphi shape siyakutshela manje ukuthi ubale oledilele kuthiwa liyaboshwa unosiphiwe mafisa kutabona uyayithola indaba enjani nomngcwabo ukuthi uhambe kanjani umngcwabo omdlalo Chiefs. By the way, bekufana ngumbuzo Felix ukuthi usapporta yiphi team abantu bahlukumezekile abantu one of them though bahlukumezekile kakhulu but into enjalo uyayithola lapha ku-podcast affirmation page and uma usuyasilandela-ke laphana kwi-YouTube yethu iyakhula slowly but surely. It's a gradual process. YouTube bayibelanga iy'ngane kodwa-ke siyakhula nakhona siyeza sizakabi yenza sure ukuthi uyasilandela kwi-YouTube page yethu uzosithola sikhona sigalelekile asifikanga sigalelekile uzwile nge-migration from i-traditional media to i-digital space. We there sesingenile khona. Don't you dare do what I want to do. If you do, please take pictures. See you in 7.
And it's a wrap.